Okay, my people, this now today news inside Pidgin News Network, and my name is Stainless Man. World Coro case don't reach 12.2 million, as already 6.7 million people don't recover for the matter. For Florida, inside today news, they don't get 11,433 new Coro case. Consider the matter inside today news again. World Health Organization or don't come at contact say the biggest begeway day say no be the coronavirus. He say waiting day, waiting matter now. And make we show love to one another and solidarity. Inside today news, so President Muhammadu Buhari he don't approve say make them suspend EFCC oga wey name na Ibrahim Magu, as he don't appoint another new person wey name na Mohammed Umar make it take charge. Still on today news, President Muhammadu Buhari don't reverse the 2020 budget. He don't put them into law. Now this second make inside today news, House of Rep them come quarrel Minister for Education say why he go cancel this West African Senior School Certificate exam, say no good for the matter. Still on today news, Ondo Chief Judge don't pipe low to enter inside panel inside the matter where they happen for in Deputy Governor. See inside today news too, court don't shift Funke Akindele and other people matter where they get for court. See me they shift and small till other time again. As we say, we look for crosswater for Turkey. They don't change that Istanbul Hagia Sophia Museum. They don't change them to mosques. Inside today news too, China too. They don't stop the importation of food. Sake of say they see Koro inside shrimp with the import come for China. New York too. They don't paint Black Lives Matters outside for Trump Tower for there. Still on today news too. People wey sabi swim where they say they never still find out our sister will be actress. So we are named Naya Rivera, as she miss for inside river. For sport now, they say they don't ready for Premier League for Nigeria, as our people here don't talk will be Nigeria Football Federation don't say they're not ready for September, say you go start fully. For UEFA Champions League, Chelsea or Bayern they go face Napoli or Barcelona for their quarter final. My people, this now today news inside PG News Network, and my name is Stainless Man. I go see you now again.